We talk about how can you disable first departure notifications on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Audiomack app. So we're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. When you just click here on photo profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications, just click on it here. You come to next step here, then you go down, so you come here to first departure here. Just click here this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean first departure notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.